As you can see, the bourbon walnuts are fused to the bottom of the honeycomb. That eggnog white chocolate on top, and that little flaky salt. It's doing a lot. Let's give it a try. Oh. Oh. I'll spare you the crunching. Mmm. Mmm. You know what it tastes like? You know that family that you spent the holidays with and they were totally not alcoholics and they had all this great food and all the friends and family got along great, and I mean you had a little snifter of bourbon, you know, they were drinking vodka tonics or whatever regular people do. That's what this tastes like. It tastes like everything good about the holidays. And this is pretty straightforward of a recipe. You can pull this off. I implore you to do so. This is really something special. This is the new Christmas treat. I stand on that. Thanks for stopping by.